Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have REALME GT 60 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem, you try search your game but you don't have it there. Go back to the main menu and tap on your photo on the right corner. There, settings, family and parental controls. In it, as you can see now, we have PG3, 2 visible game or application as Mobile Legends games. We need more than PG3. To change it, tap on it, enter your connect pin, and tap on PG16, confirm by got it, and save. Or you can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!